Hello, digital engineers. We are all in this problem called COVID 19 now. You and I are no different. We've never seen anything like this in our lives. But make sure you know that this too shall pass. All problems have passed, and this too shall pass. Now, as far as professionals are concerned, this is the right time to upskill ourselves. As people who are aspiring for digital engineering careers, this is one of the periods wherein you should be super active. You should be active and committed towards the society. Therefore, if you can volunteer yourselves for some social work, do it. On the personal front, you should be preparing for your upcoming recruitment scenario. Now, we all know the economy is down, businesses are down, and therefore, our opportunities in the next year are also going to come down. They are not going to end. Definitely there will be opportunities. But all those opportunities will be garnered by people who are well prepared. She who is prepared is the one who is going to land the job first up. So, how can we use this lockdown period to prepare ourselves? First of all, make sure that you're one of those people who are aspiring for a job in the digital sector. Now, if you're one of those students who are pursuing engineering and you want to make a digital career, something that is absolutely essential is called the recruitment skill set. And the recruitment skill set, major two areas are there. One is aptitude test skill set, and second one is technical skill set. Now, in the earlier days, if you had the required logic, then you would be taken by the companies and trained for their requirements. In the modern age, and especially past COVID, it is not going to happen. What is the necessity for them to take and prepare people for work when there are people who are prepared and waiting to get a job? There is no necessity at all. So you need to belong to the second set, the set of people who are already prepared. Now, IT sector has been the sector that has hired maximum number of engineers for the past 20 years for sure. All the sectors have been hiring, but IT engineers are the ones who have actually grown in numbers. Therefore, when the industry rebounds, as far as India is concerned, at least it will be the demand for IT engineers that will grow straight up. So, if you're prepared, you can land a good job and the growth prospects are going to be much better. But make sure that you're prepared. Earlier, if you used to have aptitude skills alone and hope to be prepared, it is not going to happen from now on. You need both aptitude skills and technical skills. And what is technical skills? You need to be proficient with at least one language as far as coding is concerned. It could be any one language, but make no mistake, you need to be good with at least one programming language. Use this lockdown period to make sure that you're competent in at least one language. And competent in what way? Competent in such a way wherein you're absolutely prepared for the real recruitment scenario. We at Confidence have launched a new technology portal called Practice Tech. This particular portal helps you prepare in terms of giving you a clear assessment of where you stand. Irrespective of the language that you are learning your skills in, may it be C, C++, Java, Python, anything, our technology helps you assess yourselves. It gives you ample opportunities for you to evaluate yourselves in the real test scenario. It gives you a natural editor, a real work platform editor, and gives you test cases for you to actually check your programs. And there are many such programs. And for a 2-month course that helps you assess where you stand and what is your skill level at this particular juncture, it is given at a throwaway price of rupees 500. So, we need to understand that it's not only about learning but also making sure that we are at the level where the companies want us to be. And Practice Tech is the best tool that you can have right now for you to ensure that you're right up there. Ladies and gentlemen, should you wish to prepare with us, please contact us at 99470 66609 or 94472 35913. Once again, I request you to make this particular lockdown period constructive for yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.